can say that it's a neural diagram. So it is a what is the, you can say that it is a cell body, and this all these are the dendrites. This the synapse is that the interconnection at the dendrites. After dendrites, the interconnection. The place is called synapse, and this output is generated through axon, and soma is called the body. So what you can say, soma is cell body, dendrites are incoming, means dendrites are used to, these are fibers like the kind of thing, and they will take the information, and it will be work as a input to other neurons. So and then output of this will be through no axon, and you can say that this synapse, after output, then this information is stored at synapse. So synapse is a junction between the dendrites and the axon for another neuron. So we can say that it will be connected to another neurons like that. So it's around in our brain 10 million neurons are there, and they are, one is connected to neuron is connected to that 10,000 neurons. So you can say the how massive the connections are there in our brain. So if you this analogy between that, the soma of cell body is called neuron in ANN. The dendrites are input and axon is the output, and synapse is the weight. Weight you can say in general language, weight is the importance of information. So if you are putting, suppose this information is connected to next neuron 100%, means weight will be 100%. It is very much required for the processing. If it is not required, because you can see that the connections are, one neuron is connected to 10,000 neurons, but for processing one or two, you can say weights are information will go to another neurons with the full importance for processing. So that way will be 100%, or the rest are made zero like that, or if it is less amount, then it can be less in that way. So this is the weight is the importance of information. It's not like a weight in grams or like that. So weight is that one. So if you see that what is the comparison between ANN and BRN, that's why we are using the ANN. The speed is very fast in ANN. In BNN, biological neural, it is quite slow. That if you can see that due to the invent of high speed computers, the speed is very high in the case of the processing. In ANN, the BNN is a biological, because as I told that it can work for you can do parallelly. When you are driving, then you are thinking about some work like that. But in ANN, it is not like that. It is a sequential way of processing. So it will not be a parallel in that case. But when you are using the supercomputer, then the multiple parallel processing computer, then it can be a parallel like that. The size and complexity, the power of especially for ANN, it can't perform the complex operation which is not being trained by the neurons ANN. But in suppose you are losing some information, but in BNN you are able to do some complex problems. Then storage, the strictly replaceable or not replaceable. So you can say the memory or storage, like in ANN and computer, generally it is a replaceable, means once it is gone, then it will never be. But in BNN, it is not. It is adaptable. It will fade by the time, but it will be never die. Means if you meet, you can see the example of that one. That if you meet your friend after 10 years, you are able to recognize. Then means the information about him, the face or like that, it is there. It will become somewhat faded, but you can able to recognize. It's called the image processing kind of thing. The fault tolerance. Hello, I am getting some sound.
Sir, your voice is very clear.
Hey, but I am getting some sound. Some is unmuted.
Sir, I'll check.
You can just So
Yes, sir.
you can mute that one. No? The fault tolerance in because in generally in ANN, once is the corrupted, you cannot be so. But in BNN, this is a very much. Suppose in between, in suppose in ANN, some lines in the program will corrupt it. Then you are not able to run that program. But in a, it is a beauty of brain that we are able to do because the information are losing. Then you can have some path in that way. Then you can so in fault tolerance is not there in you can say in ANN, but it is there in the control mechanism. With control unit is there for monitoring. So in computer, you can if you have seen that basic diagram of any computer architecture, then it has a control unit, and there is no specific mechanism in BNN because you can see the examples. Because one teacher is teaching this a student of 50 or 60 and he is teaching same thing to all, but you are not able to retrieve that. So but in computer, if you run one program in any computer, then you will get the same result. So that's why there is no control mechanism of brain in the end. So you will get the variety of the inputs in that case. So this is a weight, the information used to neural network solve the problem. The bias is that it is a bit that it is already having only always one, means it is a just like a initial energy and three initial energy for that system or network or like that. So in some cases it is very much needed because the initial energy, if you it will give the better result compared to which networks have doesn't have any you can say initial energy. Then threshold is that where you will give the output. This is a factor used in calculating activation of the given net. Means when the what is the energy level where it will give the output. So this is some activation function. It will be a step function. It will be a sine function. It will be sigma. It is a linear function. So we'll find this formula will be used. Is either if it is 1, then x is greater than 0. If it is less than 0, then it will be means depending on that. Sine function, it will be bipolar. You will get bipolar output, and sigma it will be governed by some this equation, and linear will be like that. So in generally, then once it is over, then how you will train that. So it will be you will find 3 types of learning in generally learning in neural networks. This is unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In unsupervised, you want to do the work, but it should go in right direction, but there is no target. Then it's called the unsupervised learning, and then supervised learning means if you have a target, then you have to achieve that one. Then you keep on. Whether you are training to achieve that target, then it's called the supervised learning because whether it will be get supervised with some target. And reinforcement learning, once you have achieved the target, then there is the next motto is to you can say that reduce the energy, save the energy, or save the power. Then you can use the reinforcement learning. It will be just like it will be optimization of learning. So you will get good output with less energy and less you can say power in that case. Energy efficient or cost efficient. So we can see that any in generally in neural networks, what we are doing that we start with unsupervised learning, means you know that output should be there. Then we can do once you are able to do some this output, then you know that what should be the target. Then you can go for supervised learning, and then when you are very good in achieving target, then you are thinking about the cost cutting and energy saving or like that. So better example, you can say that when the student, a small kid, is going in schools, he doesn't have any target. He want to do that. I have to read, I have to learn, I have to do that. Once when you become somewhat uh, you can say matured person, or if you are in the class 6 onwards or like that, then you are thinking that I have to study towards become an engineer, doctor, like that. Once it is that, uh, then when you achieve the this target, then you, once you are going in an engineering college, then you can see that how you can manage your the knowledge. You can with the cost, with the less cost, less energy, then you can, because you require more and more this patterns. So in unsupervised learning, you will get a set of examples, some small, but in supervised learning, you will get more tested samples. And then, course, you have to really prove that what learning you have, that it will be useful. Because in this case, if you are review, start uh, reducing, optimizing your power, means you can say that is the law of energy conservation. The energy is fixed in a universe. Means if you are starting the you can say conserving the power, then you are generally working for the god. Means you will get means that power can be used for another work and another person for that. So you can be a, you are means you started thinking about how to reduce the power, how to reduce the energy, then how to reduce the cost, then it will be just like you are uh, giving the benefit to god. Then you can say, if you are thinking like that way, then the god will also start giving that way. So this one is that one. So one, after that, the first model was developed uh, of neural network by the McCloud and Pitts in 1943. Means they have given, it is a start of neural network era, because the most power features is concept of threshold. Means then when it will give the output, means when two informations you are getting the input, then they will compute, and then some, then when they will give the output. Logic circuits are found to be used. So generally AND gate, OR gate, or they were the first example to demonstrate the McCloud-Pitts model in that way. This is that. So these are all the inputs. These are all the weights, and the summation will be like that. Then output, you have to decide the threshold when the output will be. It will give the output either 1 or 0. It's a digital mode in that case. So you can say this is the algorithm for activation. So it is a, because we are using the sine function, the output will be in a bipolar form. It is x will be, this one will be a greater than theta. I mean, theta is that threshold value, and then equal to, then it will give the 1, and it will give -1. So it will be positive. So this is some historical development by that. This perceptron, because when HAPSNet was the unsupervised learning, this perceptron model was this supervised learning. Then all this Adaline, Madeline, and Hopfield network, Moon and Som, and these are some recurrent learning. Even this black propagation, it comes in that category. So you can see that initially this we generally all the neural networks problems are giving, they are doing the attempt using HAP network. Once it is, we are able to get the HAPS network, then we can go for the perceptron, then we can go for all like that. So then we a step by step procedure to implement this type of neural networks. So application of the learning from the past experience, because generally this neural networks are used to pick and best stock in the market, that they are very much used in social problems, predict weather, because based on the old information they can predict the model, then we can predict the identify with the cancer risk, or like that. This is some example. The classification, this is one example. Image processing, it is very much we are in image processing, we are very much using neural network for that. Predict of bankruptcy for the credit card companies like that. So they are just like risk assessment. They can do that with the neural networks. Then recognition, character recognition, handwriting. Then it can be done with the neural network. Data association. That if you want to match the data, then only the identify the character that were scanned, but identify when the scanner is not working properly. Means you can check that how much which how much data you are getting correct out of 100%, and based on that you can do the data conceptualization. Means inner group in the relations, then you can how the relation can be developed in the data. The data filtering can be done. Planning optimization can be done with the use of neural network. So advantage, adapt to unknown, because in this case what is the beauty of neural network is that where you are not able to develop the neural network, structure of any system, model of the system. Then what you can do, you can do the experiment input, you can apply the input, then you will get output the same. You can develop using neural network. If you have input and output, then you can able to. And if it is matching more than 90% or 95%, then means that model is replaced by the. So many problems in black box, where there is very difficult to model the systems. Then neural networks are used to do the further simulation work, or design problems or like that. Then real time problem. Based on that, you can find the parameters of that system, and then you can fabricate or design that. So it will be powerful. It can be model complex functions. Easy to use, learned by the example. Very little user domain specific expertise needed, because in this case you know that how to build that. It's not so much robustness is a fault tolerance due to networks redundancy. Autonomous learning and generalization can be done with that. This is all examples. Disadvantage, forget, not exact. Forget means once you are losing the information, means some problems are there in programs, and then it will be ready to forget. But you will not get the output if the program is not properly. Not exact. It is not like all AI networks. What way you are training, what more you are training, you will get the good result. But it is not exact like simple model. Large complexity of the network, because if you have to solve the so many, then uh, designing of nodes and input output hidden layers and output layers, then it will become a complex in that for some big problems. So these are some like disadvantage. So conclusion for this, what you can say that artificial neural network are in imitation of the biological neural network, but much simpler one, because because brain will not work as speedily or at like ANN. So BNN have some limitation. That's why we have to go for that. But much simpler one, because in brain is very quite complex. The computing would have to lot of gain from neural networks. Their ability to learn by examples, damn, by very flexible and powerful. Furthermore, there is need to devise an algorithm in order to perform the specific task. So it can be done that way. Most of the reported application are still in research, because in this case what you get, it will be never ending area. Means you can uh, keep on magnifying your outputs. So if you are using a small model, then you can go for big model, then big model, then so your result will be more closer to the exact one. So it will be never. Say you can say in AMN there is no problem. So many things are going to happen, and it can be keep on updating. So many after 2 years or structure will come in the case of neural network. Then you can go to test that one, and then you can get the best result. No formal proofs, but they seems to have a useful application. So it is not doesn't require proof because it is a complex work like a black box. Mathematical is very difficult to develop, so it can be worked in that way. So we are going towards the one problem of control system. Neural networks to solve the salesman problems. So this is the it's the big traveling sales problem is a quite known problem in neural network, because in this case around 7 8 points are there. Then the salesman has to start, but it is target that he is able to cover all the places but not repeated the places. So it can be the two type second type VRT. So it will be like that. Traveling sales problem will be like in this case. So roadmap, the Hopfield network solving TSP using Hopfield network, which is a type of network. Modifying the Hopfield neural network solving TSP using concurrent. You can solve a concurrent neural network also. Comparison means it is in this example we are able to solve this TSP by the use Hopfield and concurrent neural networks. And then complete the SOMs solve for TSP. So we are in this case the comparison is given SOM for learning and the field and concurrent neural networks. So this is the background, the type of it's associative memory. Produce an input output. That means if what if you are able to store the images, then means you are able to produce for input pattern and similar like stored pattern. Means when what is the you can say the image, suppose in the case of image, then what you can say that the original data is stored in your computer. Then in what the data is coming from other sources by above that picture, then it will be input data. Then it means you are able to produce the data. Means the deviation will be in limit. So what the user has defined in this way. So noisy input can be also, because in that case we are if it is 50% data is matched, then we are able to retrieve the full image. So this is the beauty of neural networks. So this is a Hopfield recurrent network. This input from output input, the recurrent in that way, fully connected. It's if it is a this recurrent network, then it will be like that, and even every neuron is connected to every other neuron, then it will become fully connected. So this is how we'll use the algorithm for that. So connection between bit from the unit and to unit and from the unit. So this is that this is a logic we are taking 1 minus 1 means while on. So this will be you can say that 3 inputs and output 1. This sigma is 1, 2, 3 will be like that. So this will be how to find the threshold, and theta will be 0. Then synchronous means all neurons are updated simultaneously. In this case, all should be updated. New information is coming in that area, and it should be stored. That action only once unit is selected for each step. It's what you can say in this case. This so in the case all neurons are updated simultaneously, then it is called the synchronous. If an only particular unit is selected and it will be updated, then it's called the asynchronous updation. General, the neurons updates themselves independently and randomly based on the probability distribution and neuron. That and procedure is that how to do that, store and stabilize the vector with has to be part of memory. Find the value of weight for all means what weight you have to initialize, then you should know everyone changing again. Like, so so it is like that. So the weights are Wij and this are the stable is stable in neural network. Is you can say gamma delta or gamma alpha 1 alpha 2 in that case. So this is a weight is learning by that. This is the formula used is a normalized factor. So if two connected are on, then weight of the connection is such that neural mutation sustain. Similarly, two neurons invite each other, then connection should be sustained and mutual invitation. So this that how we will write that mutual vector need to be stored in the memory, and this weights will be like that. You have to calculate the weight. This is the formula used in that case, and all things are like that. These are delta E, and so one of the classic, because it's a traveling sales problem, highly researched problem, because it's a tested problem. You have to means if you are going to use any networks, then it will be used with the length of k is np, and if it optimizes problem is where is the shortest route, then it will be np hard. Less than k, then it will be then it's shortest route like that. So it is a way then you can minimize that. So this is the uh, CTABCD, and this is the order visited. You can do like that. You can start with the D, then you will go to B, A, then B, and C. So and cities are represented by this n by x matrix. In this case, each row has one, with the ones each column has exactly one. Then means the matrix has exactly one is. So for each element, the matrix should be like a neuron, and fully connected assembly weights are like that. Finally, this is suitable energy function, because when you are want to optimize that, then you have to. So E function for the term had four components specifying the this you can write this for particular problem you have to write the energy function, because it can be like that. So each this more than that, then this for constraint more activated motion, then it will be V is constant on all things are like that. For E3 you can in this function, then E4 and total will be all. So you have to optimize this one. So energy function equation is also given like that. This is all the city that one, and output will be you can say this formula with that. So comparing the activation equation with the energy function I obtained previously, because you have to use this one, the Conan symbol like that, and choice of constant ABCD that provides a good solution vary between always to obtain the legislative loops. B is small relative to A and B and C that way. Giving heavier weights to distances large, and relative means we are giving the more distance. D is more distant that way. Local minimum once then you have to go for global minimum. The speed fast due to rapid computation of capacity of network, because it doesn't have any mathematical equation. This will be a simple this small calculations, so it will be very fast compared. The concurrent neural networks, because it developed by the this one, so it requires the this formula that here there's a probability of the valid factor, and this one energy function will be used. Then this formula is like that. Then you can where the value of mu I in that case. So the error will be like that. So we'll have a value for any valid tube, so that we have started the constraint optimization problem to solve this formula, and so so one can say that it will be E error will be like that, and EI will be that one. So alpha will be the Lagrange multiplier to be calculated from the situation. The minimization of energy function, because once I told first you have to start with the unsupervised way, then supervised, then minimize. Ultimately, you have to go for minimization. So this will be like that. So this will be the minimization means this, you have to use this the rate of change of energy in this case. So this formula will be used. So when decision version of the combination trial optimization problem is proved belongs to the class of NP complete, and problem which is well known problems such as the traveling sales and bin packing problem. So then an optimization means when optimization problem is very simple, then it is like, then it will be hard, then unknown, then you have to use the bin NPR. So there is a 2 less than in MP complete, then you can do that way. So this is the path length, the formula, this co-current neutral, then self-organizing map. We are using CNN, then SOM, then implementation input. Then you can randomly select it, and then you can do that. This is the procedure that way. The Hopfield networks, let's say the concurrent, the converges fast, then this which one? CNN convert more than better than Hopfield network. Probability to achieve the valid tour is higher than the probability factor also is good in the case of CNN. Hopfield does not have a systematic way to determine the constants, so this is also a big problem in that case. So comparison between SOM and concurrent means then data set of 52 in Germany, the subset of 15 cities, then both algorithms were run for 80 times on 15 city data set. 52 city dates could be analyzed only using SOM, while concurrent. So this is that one. So result, you can say the concurrent neutral always converge and never missed by any city whereas SOM self-organized memory is capable of missing data. Means generally in this case, if whether you are missing the data, then how it can able to do that one or not. Concurrent CNN is very erratic in behavior, where the SOM has higher reliability to detect every link in a smallest path. Overall, neural net CNN perform poorly as compared to SOM. The SOM is better than. So this is a, you can say some. This is the CNN, and this so you can see that the salesman has to travel to cover all those 21 to 2000, more than 2000 kilometers. In self-organizing map only he has to cover around 1100 kilometers. So 800 we are able to save in that case. So behavior, you can see the concurrent step. So you can say it is quite complex and it is very simple. So conclusion is Hopfield network can also be used for optimize the problem. Concurrent network perform better than the Hopfield network, but SOM is better than all. You see that uh, you are able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are. I'm just finished the first. Then we are going towards the second.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fuzzy logic. So, as you can see that you can see this figure, now this picture like that. So, what is the why the fuzzy logic was used? Because in this case, what is the invention of that? The fuzzy means it's not abstract, not decided. So, if you in control system or any problem when the output you don't want any exact output, then the fuzzy logic can be used. The simple method where you want you can adjust the output in a range. Then you can able to use the fuzzy logic. Otherwise, no meaning of this. If you want to exact control, then don't think about the fuzzy logic, because it's a fuzzy means it's a fuzzy. It is a just approximation of the your problems or this one, and your approximation, the implementation or means rules and all those things, and then it will be like that. But it is very much used in electronics, consumer electronics, because in the case of you can say AC control, fuzzy logic control is very much used in AC control system, and you can washing machine or even fridge, because you want the thing should be you will feel good in room, whether it is a 17 or 17 point degrees centigrade. In a fridge, you want the thing should be remain in good condition. Then it is you don't require the exact it will be a 4 degree or like that. In even washing machine, you are doing like that, because you want that clothes should be clean. It's not exact point of there's no, you can say, factor of cleanness, then it can be used. So fuzzy logic is a branch of machine intelligence that helps the computers paint gray, common sense pictures of an uncertain world. So means the fuzzy logic manipulators such as weird concept like warm, still dirty, so help engineers to build the air conditioner, washing machines, and other devices that judge how fast they can operate or shift from one setting to another, even when the criteria for making these changes are hard to define. Means when suppose warm, little warm, high warm, then you can able to change depend on the conditions. So when mathematics asks for a specific algorithm that dictate how the system should be responded into input, the fuzzy logic can control and describe the system by using the common sense rules that refers to indefinite quantity. In a mathematical, if you want to develop this mathematical model of you can say washing machine or fridge or like that control, then it's very difficult. You have to suppose you are maintaining the, when fridge is not loaded such so much, then you can maintain easily, but when it's low, then it become easy. Means it is continuous keep on changing the situation. Then in fuzzy logic you can do for that one, because you can shift one push set uh, 5 to 4 like that, so it's still warm or it's still cool and low cool, or so then but in mathematical that calculations are very complex in that case. So not known mathematical model that can break up a truck and trailer rig from a parking lot to a loading dock when the vehicle start from the random spot. In that case, which the things is we can say it's you can say it's not fuzzy means it is not decided what you have to do. Means when you have to take the trawler, you want to take the truck. It's a simple. Mother they have to mother unload. Means they have to take the from the parking side to then. So then it can be means how the mathematics. If you are using the mathematical model, is very difficult to. But in fuzzy logic, you can have mother fuzzy models. Then you can do that. The fuzzy system can perform the nonlinear guidance task by using the practical and imprecise rules such as if trailer turns a little to the left, then turn it to the right. You can say that how this it's a quantitative rather than qualitative control is can be done with the help of fuzzy logic. Fuzzy systems often clean their rules from the experts. Means in a this INN or in the fuzzy logics, who can design the fuzzy system? Who can design the neural network? Those have experience of those type of system. If the simple one, a new person is there, then very difficult. It will take more time to give the best output. If the person writing the rules in fuzzy on a neural network, then if he is expert, he knows about the all the things about uh, the behavior of that system. Then it's very difficult, easy to make. So adapt the fuzzy system, learn the rule, observing how people regulate real systems means. You can say if you this give input, then output will be. So the person having that experience, more knowledgeable, more you can say uh, best way you can use the fuzzy logic. So that's why this AI na AI can be best implemented if you know the system. If you don't know the system, it's very difficult. So this if you the proper of IoT or AI system, then you should be more knowledgeable. So the jobs will be there after 2 3 years. With the AI means if you have the good amount of the best knowledge about the system, then you can get the job. If you are very new to that system, then it's very difficult to. So you have to learn so many means. You can say that the competition of knowledge will be more in coming time. So first time, the Japan they have uh, the recent wave of commercialized fuzzy products. Most of them are from Japan. The fuzzy means AC, even LG they are using some washing machines, the AC project, fridge they are using. So in consumer electronics or consumer products, they're very much used in Japan. In 1980s, that this is Smith and Company used a fuzzy system to oversee the operation of the cement kiln. That it can be like that. That they have used in that in 1988, Itachi turn over the control in a subway. It's called Sendai, Japan, to fuzzy system since Japanese companies have used logic to direct hundred of households, application appliances and electronics product. Minister of International Trade, Japan, they have very much using that is data on that application of extend beyond the control system this because in this case is not exact control, is you can say relative control or like that. The recent theorems show that principal fuzzy logic can be used to model any continuous system, be based on the engineering of physics or biological. Means you can use the fuzzy logic control, but this is not like exact control. Investigator in many fields may find that fuzzy uh, common sense common sense models are more useful or accurate than the standard mathematical. So that means one can say that in this some cases that fuzzy logic giving the better result compared to other. So at the heart of difference between the classical and fuzzy logic means you know that what is the difference between that. Aristotle called the law of accumulated middle. That means in this case fuzzy either 0 or 1 is called in a classical theory sets, but if you make between them, then it's called the fuzzy. so not decided. In a standard set, an object earlier does not belongs to a set. Means it will be like that. It will not be there. There is no middle of. So, but in fuzzy, it is like that. You are 50% here, 70% there. Then the total will be one in that case. Such bivalent sets, an object cannot be belongs to both set, or it complements set, or other neither of the set. Means it will be part of that. So this is a fuzzy. Means not clear. This principle preserves a structure of logic and avoids the concentration of an object that both are in or not belongs to same time. In that case, that's why it's all fuzzy. The set of the fuzzy is the motivation that you can say that it will be air can be 20% cool and same time uh, this you can say it can be tell like that 80% not cool. So it is a two adjective, not cool or cool. So you can define that what way you are assigning the membership functions and varying the degree in that case. So this is like that. For the degrees are not same, it depend on the place to place. Because suppose if you go in China, then the person having more than 5 feet is tall. If you go in Africa, then it 5%, 50. The person having 5 feet height is called small. So this is a fuzzy logic is not same for all conditions. So it depends on the model to model. So only the constraint on the fuzzy logic and degree means a member. It depends on the members of function, that how you'll use, how you'll write the rules and those things. So you have to, in this case, once the problem is there, then you have to fuzzify the problem based on the conditions required for that solution of that space area or like that. So, so So it can be both true, both false. It depends on the how much false, how much true. Then it can be like that. So, so zero ones. It's a binary in this case, but in fuzzy it is not there. It is a 0 to 1. It can be 0.1, 0.4, 0.5, and that is called the fuzzy. So this the Jade started. You can say that that you will find because he was civil engineers, so you will find in this also the so many problems examples from civil engineering, because he was civil engineer but he was good mathematician. Then he tried to use the fuzzy sets or those things first time after the invent of this fuzzy logic, this 30 years after that. So he's from civil, so then he has to use all the problems from the civil engineering also. So this is that how to engineer can be behave like that, and size of rule, the waveness, and you have to for this side to be cool. This 60% the precisely. Then you have to define that what will be that that's then cool and slow and those things. And they depend on the you have to. Any problem, then you have to give the membership function. Then you have to design the set of that one. What will be the this number of sets and those things. So suppose imagine a fuzzy air condition that relies on 5 rules, thus 5 patches to match the temperature to motor speed. Means 5 output will be given to motor, which will be able to control this compressor or like that. Temperature sets like cool, just right. The cool and hot is a 4. Cold, cool. So you have defined the temperature. What is the cold? Then cool. Then just right. The what is the best suited? Then warm and hot. So these are 5 inputs. So you have to define that. So the possible fuzzy inputs based on you can define the speed set very the output will very slow for the motor, the slow, medium, fast, very fast. Describe the output. So then based on that, the temperature of 60 degree maybe 10%, 20% cool and 80% not cool, then 70% just right, the 30% is not just right. You have to, if you have that experience, then you can define these things. So if there is the same time the air is 0% cold and warm and hot, then means where what is the temperature? Then it will come in which criteria. According to that, which rule will be applicable, and then output will be what output will be. It will be speed will be should be very low, and then can so means you can design that rules if you have the good knowledge. Two rules contribute the proportionally. Some in suppose in that percentage of input the two rules. So you have to see that which will be superimposed and which rule will be work in that way. So this is the way then how to write it. So suppose this is a temperature, the cool 50 to 70, and it can be whether you can define this type of member function. It can be like that. So if it is a triangular, then this will not cool will be the complement of this one. So you can define like that. So they have used this you can say uh, the coffee machine kind of thing. So they have used for that. Subway car controller means they have used in Singhai, because in that case human operates, and conventional automatic controller means this is a called that vehicle from a station or like that. Means it is just like uh, uh, how they will manage with the parking system. So then so brake pressure when train is around from the station means the subway means train system. Even train is going uphill and downhill, then the engineer they have used that how they will uh, regulate the speed of motor this car, or means the subway car control is like kind of tram. The subway the rules can be framed in that case, so means depend on the then. So this is also the bus timetables. It can be used because in this case 1 minute or half 30 second can be tolerable, so they can manage the work that way. So the this bus timetable there, the fuzzy logic can be used. The predicting genetic traits you can predict in that case. This specific combinations of genes will be create the events when the people another they can predict this gene traits like that. So this will be that the temperature control they can very much used. Generally it has the best application for the fuzzy logic. Autofocus of the camera they are using. So based on whether you can predict the this size, another weather condition, or even this the, light and those things, and this based on then you can make the automatic focus of the camera. The automatic camera generally they are using the fuzzy logic in that. Medical diagnosis. How many what kinds of systems means the diagnosis means if you have this all the tests, then you can make this the what if this limit is there, then this will limit, and then you can predict the disease. So this will be you can somebody can come and do this one. This using fuzzy logic. So it will be for BTech or MTech students or PhD, they can work on this. Uh, Then predicting travel time, it can be like that because the Google Map or those things, because they will It's one is that they know the path. Second is that if some from Google Map you can able to find out this uh, uh, present situation. Suppose some accident is there or traffic jam is there, or then you can predict that way. So it can be like that. So it is based on the traffic construction accident. Whether this is a two-way, this is a simple path, and that day's situation or behavior, then you can then able to estimate. This a Google Map they are using like that. They can use entry lock braking system in that case also. So the ABS within a motor control or this one it can be used. Generalities, the company in Japan they are using the funny goods more than price, then they will conventional one for the washing machines. They are using very much in that case. So they are just like they made the 10 rules according to the variety. The cameras they are using, vacuum cleaners they are using, so depend on that way how means the fuzzy means you have to fuzzify first problem, means what is the problem, then you can fuzzify that problem, then design your fuzzy controller, then again defuzzify, and then it can be used as a clips value. This is a method of apply that way. Automobiles, it is also the fuzzy logic can be used. Even now they are after pandemic, the physiology, this, air purifier, oxygen, this concentrator, they can use the physiology controller also based on the situation of person or health of atmosphere, all those things. So this is the some examples. So microwave they are using Sanyo based on the this what is the item you are using and the type of this program you are using, support convection or this, like that. So a poet, if you know what I mean, a poet should be of old-fashioned, meaningless brand that uh, obscure, obsolete, and symbolic. Then this way, if I am ready, there is a poem of mine that you understand. I will be great explain what I mean till you don't understand. Means in this case, you can say in fuzzy logic means more you work, more more precise control you are able to get. Means it is keep on updating. Means it's a real AI. So based on the situation or new conditions, new problems, new input condition, new noise condition, then you can able to um, uh, you can say keep on updating your rules, and you can go for new and new controller for that. So this is from my side. If you want any question,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time in your busy schedule and enlighten all of us by your spreading your knowledge on artificial neural network and fuzzy logic and relate it with the healthcare field. Sir, I personally benefited many a times by your visionary words, and I expect so is with the participants. Now I ask participant if they have any query.
Good afternoon, sir.
ah,
Sir, actually, there is no doubt about it. I am clear with your concepts, actually. I really thank
hmm,
you for the session, sir.
okay.
Really, it is informative. Thank you, sir.
So no query from the participant. Thank you very much, sir, for sparing your time.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So Pankaj sir. I think today's sessions are over. Please mark your attendance and we will meet on the scheduled time tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Pushpal.